Hey guys, Mikey here. Welcome back to another short video of the intermediate data analysis in our tutorial series. So we'll be continuing to look at the dplyr package, and today we'll be looking at the select and filter functions. So as the name implies, they are used for subsetting your data frame, like whether you're subsetting your column or whether it's the rows. You can do both. Let's go ahead and install the dplyr package and call it, and we will create a sample data frame here. So it looks something like this with 3 columns having values for trees, location and heights. We will be first checking out how to use the filter function. So using the filter function, we can subset our data frame by giving particular values. So in this case, we are selecting the rows that we need, that is the rows which has a particular value. For example, here we will be subsetting the data frame and having the rows where the trees are mangroves. So if you run this code, you can see that you get all the rows where the trees are mangroves. But let's say we want to subset based on the column names. So in this case, we can use the select function. So here what we are telling is that we want to just select the column with this name location. So if you run this code, yeah, you see that you just get this particular column. So you can have multiple things here. Let's say you want location and heights, so you can do that similar way here as well. Let's say if you want the trees to be mangroves and also the location to be, let's say, Indonesia, and if you run this, yeah, so there is only one mangroves with the location Indonesia because the other mangroves are not in Indonesia. So yeah, you can add other operators within the filter or select function and improve your querying. And also in the case of select, rather than just having the names of the columns, you can also use something like end with. So what we are telling is that we need all the columns which are ending with a particular value or a letter or something like that. This will be very useful. Let's say if you have a lot of columns where it will be a tree height, tree breadth, or tree diameter, all those kind of things, and you want all the columns associated with trees, then you can have something like starting with trees or maybe ending with particular tree name or something like that. But in this case, let's see if there is anything common that we can use. So for example, for trees as well as heights, both ends in S. So maybe we can have something like select all the columns that ends with S, and if you run this code, you see that we got the columns trees and heights, but we didn't get location because it's not ending with S. Well, that's all for now. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and also subscribe to my channel if you are looking into more data analysis related videos. So till next time, ciao.